I'd like to welcome you all to my vlog. It is Maru. Welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Remember to like, remember to subscribe. We're on a weight loss journey. We're trying to get healthy, and the only way that you can do that is if you can get up and move. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog together with me today. Welcome guys. Today it's gonna be a very simple vlog of what I've been getting up to during the week, and we're gonna make some frozen what you call it, frozen smoothie packs. So it's for when you're busy and you're just too tired to do stuff. You just take one of those packs, pop them in the in the blender, and then you are good to go. So no stress, simple and easy.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me.
Guys, do you know that it only takes 10 minutes? 10 minutes to do 1,000 steps. This is me after lunchtime. I decided that, after lunchtime, instead of sitting down, let me walk around my workplace for a little bit, or just put something on my computer and walk for 10 minutes. Simple 10 minutes. And at the end of it, you get 1,000 steps. So I'm trying to move more than I used to move. And so far, I think so good. So this workout that I'm doing is by Rick. He's on YouTube. He's a famous YouTuber. And it's a 10-minute walking workout with songs to BTS.
Samsung health notification. Excellent 5-day streak. 1957, 6,000 steps. Now try extending your goal for a 7-day streak. You're almost there.
When I look in the mirror, I melt your heart into two. I got the superstar glow, so ooh. Get it, let it move. So I'm gonna make my fruit smoothie healthy packs that go into the freezer. All the fruits that I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna be using some pineapple, okay? I'm gonna be using a whole lot of strawberries, some spinach that I'm gonna wash, some bananas, and some blueberries, okay? And then I'm gonna be using these packets to pack them in. This is very convenient, especially for people that are very busy. If you don't have time to be like putting together a smoothie at the beginning of the day, you just pick one up from the freezer, put it in the blender, and then you are good to go, okay? So this is good for moms. It's good for people that are extremely busy like myself. I have 2 lovely boys, and in the morning it's chaos, okay? So I just pick this up, put it in the blender, and I'm off. No stress. Guys, so I've finished prepping all my vegetables and fruit, just the vegetable and fruit actually. I sliced up my bananas. I sliced up my pineapple. I gave my baby pineapple. Can babies eat pineapple? I'm not sure, but anyway. Yeah, I sliced up my pineapple. Here's my vegetables. This is my spinach that's gonna go into the packs as well. And then these are my wild berries and my strawberries. So let's put these packs together and then put them in the freezer. Right, so the 2 packets that I'm going to make, they are going to have, I'm going to put just a handful of spinach right at the bottom. Handful of spinach. I cut up a banana, making sure that 5 pieces are a whole banana. 5 pieces. And I'm just going to grab a few strawberries. Just a few strawberries, no wild berries. And then a few slices of, there we go. So as you can see, it's just spinach, strawberries, banana, and a little bit of pineapple. And then you just seal it like so. Okay, so I'm gonna make the rest right now.
Lots of spinach. 5 pieces of a banana. That's the big. Just kind of add a few. Not too baby, not too done. Okay, so.
As you can see, it's hold on, sweetie. Hold on. Spinach, banana, strawberries, and then wild berries. This one, I'm not going to add any pineapple in it. Alright guys, so my packets are done. Can you see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 packets are going to be 1 packet for each day. And on most times when I make a smoothie, I usually add some oatmeal as well. So I'm probably going to be adding like a spoon or 2 of oatmeal, as well as flax seeds and chia seeds if I have them as well. So it's very easy to do. Sometimes I blanch my spinach, but this time around I was like, oh, I don't have time for that. I'm just going to put it as it is. And I'm going to pop them in the freezer, and then they'll be ready to go each day.
You are asking yourself, well, does what you told me does very good.
Alright guys, so I just wanted to share that with you today. Thank you so much for watching this short vlog. How are you guys doing? How's your week going? What things do you enjoy meal prepping? I actually need to get into meal prepping more often, but I always say I need to do it and then I don't because I'm so tired and there's no time. But I think I need to put some time aside to do it because it's so convenient. You just get up, you go into your freezer, pick up whatever it is that you've prepared, and it keeps you on track as well. It's like, oh, what am I going to have for breakfast? Asking yourself many questions. What am I going to have for lunch? No, if you have prepared it in advance, then it's there for you to eat. You just pick it up and you go. So it lessens having to eat things that are not right. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope everybody is well. I wish you all a happy week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.